Hey y'all, welcome to THAM141 Homestead. My name is Tracy. If this is your first time here, welcome. If it's your millionth time here, welcome back. Something's off in your head. Most tool reviews happen right after unboxing or 5 minutes of use, okay? This tool review is after 7 years of use of what came in this DEWALT bag that I bought at Lowe's. Years and years ago, 7 years ago. Let me show you a couple things that I've built with it. I builded my house. I builded my tool shed with a generator shack. I built my woodshed, my porch, my solar panel rack. All sorts of work on the house in Port Leiden. I have helped Matt build his camp. I have built pig shelters. I have built all sorts of things with this. So trust me when I tell you, these drills have been put through the ringer. And this isn't even counting the countless repairs that I've done. They have been dropped, scraped, submerged, not recommended, coated in dust, sprayed off with air, all together rightly abused. They have worked with other DEWALT tools, hence my initials. Now, as I said before, I bought these at Lowe's 7 years ago. Nobody sent them to me. Nobody's paying me to say this. I think after 7 years of using them, I have a right to give an honest review with nobody telling me what to say. This kit includes the drill, the impact driver, and a battery charger. You get two 2 amp hour batteries. These are the original, by the way. And a charger. And the carrying bag. And I'll be honest, if you're just hanging pictures or doing the odd job around the house, these little batteries are perfectly fine. But if you are going to do any serious building with them, you'll probably want, I have a 5 amp hour, this is a 3 amp hour, and this is a power stack. This is what come with it, and this is one that I bought. And I only started buying batteries, more batteries recently, but as you can see, both of these batteries still work great today. They just don't last as long as the higher amp hour batteries. Now, this kit was not a garage queen. It didn't sit on a rack for months collecting dust. It was put to work. This is not to include the shelving, the hanging of the pictures, installation of showers, bathtubs, plumbing. Now, what really impresses me is that over those 7 years, this is the original drill. No repairs. Some of you know my friend Matt. He is like crazy strong. I have seen him drilling through several studs with a big old spade bit on. I have seen smoke come from this drill. Hasn't affected it. My daddy married his sister, but it didn't affect me none. No trigger problems, no lockups, no gear failures, and no motor issues. These are the ones that came. It amazes me. And these little batteries that came with it, I gotta say, guys, for a Lowe's kit, and these batteries still working 7 years later, the best suggestion I can give you is to buy a battery-operated tool set that is expandable. And that way, every time you get a new tool, you don't have to worry about batteries. Trevor has a DEWALT chainsaw. Hence, buying the bigger batteries. So when I borrow his saw, this is the DEWALT hedge trimmer, because when you are just mowing the yard, the woods likes to come back and try to take over again. Therefore, gotta tell you, no tool is perfect, okay? These have seen their share of abuse, but out of this toolkit, the weakest spot are the size of the batteries that come with it. They're good for average homeowner use. And another spot that I don't like is the expense to replace the batteries or to purchase more batteries. But for the average homeowner, these little batteries will work fine. You'll want the 4 or 5 amp hour batteries or 3 amp hour batteries. They just last longer. But when you've been working with sheetrock all day and up at Matt's, I did use this drill for the sheetrock. It can be a pain in the butt to have to stop because your battery ran dead. It's a pain in the butt to stop for anything. I just wish they would give you a 3 or 5 amp hour battery. And I'm sure you can probably purchase other kits that have those. And once you start adding tools, they can build up. Chainsaws. Matt bought a kit. It has the oscillating tool. It has a jigsaw. It has a sawzall. It has a 6.5 inch circular saw, which is an awesome saw. We use that something fierce. And if you buy all these with the same brand, I prefer DEWALT. To be honest, Trevor preferred DEWALT, and I borrow his tools all the time. And I gotta tell you guys, there should be no surprise the way I've been talking so far. If this toolkit disappeared tomorrow, I'd have another one the day after, maybe a couple days after. Now I've expanded it to drill bits and driver bits, sheetrock bit, driving bits so that I can use sockets. Torque. I do not like cross tip or Phillips head screws. I use torque. Now guys, this little drill doesn't deserve the punishment that I've given it. I've run hole saws through 2x6s, through 2x6s, through 2x6s, through plywood. Now, this is a 6-inch. I would not suggest using anything bigger than this. And if you're trying to go through some thick stuff or trying to drill a bunch of holes at once, I would not suggest it. For this drill, they have other drills or electric drills. Who should buy this setup? I'm saying homeowners, first-time battery-operated tool buyers, homesteaders, naturally, off-gridders. Batteries are a way of life on the homestead. Do-it-yourselfers. Anyone who needs a dependable battery-operated tool. So guys, this is my honest review of 7 or 8 years of owning this kit as you see it here. Once you start, try to stay with the same brand. It'll save you a lot of cash in batteries. And you will add on over time. Hey guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content. Guys, check out DEWALT. I'll have a link in the description. They're a good tool all the way around. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Best way to support the channel is buy some merch. Cheapest way is to leave a comment. Hey, do you have this kit? Do you have a DEWALT kit of any kind? If not, what brand of cordless tools do you like and use? All right, y'all have a great, wonderful day. We love you, and God bless.